what you doing? Cars? Really? Can you show me your cars? Huh? Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, Will, can you talk on the phone? So you can see he has his cars parked there neatly.
Look.
Parked, yes. Oh, don't climb. Just sit, that's good. Whoa, where's your phone? Where's your phone? Okay, gotta go. Say bye. Did you just discover that sound? You love your cars. Can you give them a kiss? Oh, you give me a kiss. Oh, you're giving my leg a kiss. Oh, you're very sweet. I love you, buddy. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you wave?